Dr. Shaista. Today we are studying about salivary glands, the anatomy. No problem, Dr. Shaista. We have just begun, and we are discussing about the anatomy of salivary glands and their physiology. So I hope I'm audible and you're able to see the screen. Great. So I'll be referring whatever I'm telling you. I'll be referring from multiple sources. I have my own notes, certain books, and the seminar. So we'll start. Basically, we'll start with the introduction. What are glands? So a cell or group of cells or an organ that selectively removes materials from blood, concentrates or alters them, and secretes them for further use in the body or elimination from the body. Typically, a gland consists of either cuboidal or columnar epithelium resting on a basement membrane. We all know that glands have basement membrane, and it is surrounded by plexus or meshwork of blood vessels. So there are a lot of blood vessels. And what is a gland? It is basically it removes material from the blood, or it concentrates them, or it alters them in certain situation, and it secretes them for further use in the body, or it completely eliminates them. Moving on. So what are the types of glands? We know there are two types of glands. One is endocrine, that is ductless gland, जैसे कि pituitary हो गया, thyroid हो गया, adrenal हो गया. That secrete substances directly into the bloodstream. They don't have any duct, so they don't have any they are like doodh wala, that they will, the doodh wala is a duct that will carry the secretion or the milk to door wherever it is required. So they are exocrine glands that have a duct. Endocrine glands are ductless glands. They directly secrete their hormones into the bloodstream through ducts. तो हम देख रहे हैं ये एंडोक्राइन ग्लैंड है. एंड एंडोक्राइन ग्लैंड में ये डायरेक्टली it is secreting into the neighboring bloodstream, and this is an exocrine gland, and in this there are ducts associated, and with the help of these ducts they are able to secrete their secretion. अच्छा, टाइप्स ऑफ एक्सोक्राइन ग्लैंड्स कौन कौन से होते हैं? कौन बताएगा इनको? कौन बता सकता है क्या क्या टाइप्स हैं एक्सोक्राइन ग्लैंड के? मेरोक्राइन, एपोक्राइन, होलोक्राइन, क्या होता है ये? कुछ याद है? Dr. Sangeeta is being very honest. No, I don't remember. Nobody? Okay, chalo. Okay, so see there are three exocrine glands में भी, हाँ exocrine glands में भी तीन तरह के glands होते हैं. हाँ, so these exocrine glands, इसमें ducts होती हैं, इसमें भी तीन तरह के glands होते हैं. हम पहले, एक तो होता है होलोक्राइन, एक होता है मेरोक्राइन, और एक होता है एपोक्राइन. अब ये एपोक्राइन ग्लैंड क्या होता है? बेसिकली चलो मेरोक्राइन से शुरू करते हैं. मेरोक्राइन ग्लैंड, बेसिकली द सब्सटेंस इज सिक्रेटेड डायरेक्टली इनटू द डक्ट थ्रू द सेलुलर चैनल्स, एंड देयर इज नो रप्चरिंग ऑफ द सेल वॉल इन्वॉल्व्ड. बेसिकली इनके जो सब्सटेंसेस हैं ये डायरेक्टली डक्ट में जाता है, एंड डक्ट के थ्रू ब्लड स्ट्रीम में जाता है. ठीक है, इसमें कोई सेल वॉल का रप्चर नहीं होता. एंड व्हाई एम आई सेइंग सेल वॉल का रप्चर, वी विल अंडरस्टैंड अभी. एपोक्राइन ग्लैंड क्या होता है? बेसिकली इसमें होता है सेल वॉल रप्चर. कैसे होता है कि दे बड ऑफ अ पार्ट ऑफ द सेलुलर साइटोप्लाज्म. इनका जो सेलुलर साइटोप्लाज्म है उसका एक पार्ट ग्लैंड से अलग हो जाता है. दे बड इट ऑफ, दे लेट इट गो, and release the substance into the ductal system. This is how they release the substance into the ductal system. So we see pinched off portion of the cell in the secretion. So basically secretion के साथ साथ सेल का भी एक पार्ट निकल कर secretion में जाता है. That is how they secrete the products. तो जो भी secretion सेल में होती है वो plus the cell itself goes into the secretion. Now is the holocrine gland. Now what is an holocrine gland? Basically in these release happens by the rupture of plasma membrane. जो plasma membrane होती है वही rupture हो जाती है. So what happens is they destroy the cells and secrete the product in the lumen. So whenever the cells are filled with the substance and when the secretions, they destroy the cell and then secrete the lumen. For example, sebaceous glands, for example meibomian glands. So for merocrine, they can be salivary glands जो directly secrete कर रहे हैं. For sweat glands, it can be for apocrine glands, they are sweat glands around the lip, around the armpits. And finally holocrine glands जैसे कि हो गया sebaceous glands. Is it clear? You're asking mammary gland is which type of gland? Mammary gland is basically an exocrine gland only, and they are modified sweat glands. So I think mammary glands, yeah. So I think mammary glands are also a type of apocrine gland only. So now coming to the types of ductal pattern. Uh, Now even the exocrine gland can be of further types. It can be simple types, tubular, branched, coiled up, uh, and then it can be further. It can be compound, that is multiple tubular or alveolar. Coming now to the salivary gland. Salivary glands are a group of